Hey guys, how's it going? How to download shows on Amazon Prime Video. So first of all, go ahead and open up the Amazon Prime, alright, Prime Video. Okay, and make sure if you have the app, make sure that you update it to the latest version. If you have the website, just go ahead to the website. Make sure that you're signed in with your Amazon Prime account, and then look for the show that you want to download. Tap on the show's title to view its details, and then look for download button, usually a downward arrow. Tap on it to start the download. Go to the download section in the app to find your downloaded content. Remember that not all titles are available for download due to licensing agreements. So let me know in the comments of this video. Hope you don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.